Are you looking for the best industrial 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best industrial 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DigiLab A9 Pro 3D Printer. The DigiLab A9 Pro is an industrial-grade 3D printer designed for large-scale, high-precision printing with a build volume of 19.6 by 15.7 by 23.6 inches, 500 by 400 by 600 millimeters. It supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, and features a fully enclosed design to maintain stable printing temperatures and reduce warping. The printer includes automatic bed leveling, a touchscreen interface, USB connectivity, and safety features such as power loss recovery and filament detection. Built with industrial-grade components like linear rails and precision ball screws, it ensures smooth and accurate movement, while a modular nozzle system and dual filament feeding enhance maintenance and versatility. Ideal for prototyping, small batch manufacturing, and educational use, the A9 Pro requires adequate space due to its large size and weight of approximately 96 kilograms, 211 pounds, and may have slower print speeds compared to other industrial printers. Number 2. Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer. The Snapmaker Artisan is a versatile 3D printer that combines dual extrusion 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, and CNC carving into a single, modular machine. It features a large 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume and supports a variety of filaments including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and nylon, enabling multi-material and multicolor prints. The printer is built with industrial-grade linear rails and an all-metal design for enhanced precision, stability, and durability. It includes a 7-inch touchscreen for easy control, quick-swap tool heads and platforms for seamless transitions between functions, and is compatible with Snapmaker Luban software for simplified 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC operations. With support for over 600 materials, the Artisan is ideal for professional prototyping, creative projects, and educational applications. Number 3. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D Printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 is a professional-grade 3D printer designed for educators, makers, and small businesses seeking reliable, high-quality printing capabilities. It offers a build volume of 254 by 152 by 170 mm, 10 by 6 by 6.7 inches, and supports a variety of 1.75 mm filament types, including PLA, ECOABS, PETG, and nylon. The printer features an all-metal hot end that heats up to 280 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with a wide range of materials. Its heated glass build plate reaches up to 100 degrees Celsius, promoting better adhesion and reducing warping. The 3D45-01 also includes an automatic 9-point leveling system, ensuring consistent first-layer adhesion. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, and the printer is compatible with Dremel's cloud-based slicing and printing software, allowing for remote monitoring and control. Additional features include a built-in HD camera for live print monitoring, an active carbon filter to reduce VOC emissions, and an RFID filament recognition system that automatically adjusts settings based on the loaded filament type. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 is backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a user-friendly and versatile 3D printing solution. Number 4. MateForm Air for Resin 3D Printer. The MateForm Air for Resin 3D Printer is an industrial-grade MSLA, masked stereolithography, printer designed for professionals seeking ultra-high precision and reliability. It boasts an impressive 14.85 micrometers XY resolution, enabling the creation of intricate and detailed models with exceptional accuracy. The printer features a large build volume of 228.1 by 128.3 by 250 mm, 8.98 by 5.05 by 9.84 inches, accommodating sizable projects or multiple smaller parts in a single print session. Its robust construction includes a carbon steel shell, dual P-class guide rails, and an industrial-grade ball screw, ensuring stability and minimizing wobbling during operation. The self-developed array light source delivers uniform and strong light energy, enhancing print quality and success rates. Additionally, the MateForm Air 4 is equipped with a built-in heater to maintain optimal printing temperatures and an activated carbon air filter to reduce odors and emissions, creating a more comfortable and safe working environment. With a weight of 25 kilograms, this printer is built to withstand long-term use in demanding settings such as studios and factories. It's an excellent choice for professionals and businesses requiring high-precision 3D printing capabilities. Number 5. Original Prusa XL 3D Printer. The original Prusa XL assembled one-tool head 3D printer is a high-performance Core XY machine designed for professionals and advanced users seeking a large-format, reliable 3D printing solution. It offers a spacious build volume of 360 by 360 by 360 mm, 14.17 inches by 14.17 inches by 14.17 inches, accommodating substantial parts or multiple smaller models in a single print. The printer features the innovative Nextruder system, which includes a planetary gearbox and a load cell sensor for automatic first-layer calibration, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Its robust construction, powered by a custom 32-bit X-Buddy electronics board and Trinamic 2130 stepper drivers, ensures precise and consistent performance. Connectivity options include USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, allowing for flexible operation and remote monitoring. The user-friendly 3.5-inch color touchscreen interface provides intuitive control and feedback. Weighing approximately 27.9 kilograms, 61.5 pounds, the printer's dimensions are 700 mm, W, x 900 mm, H, x 720 mm, D, 27.5 inches by 35.5 inches by 28.5 inches, making it a substantial addition to any workspace. While the single tool head configuration is ideal for standard applications, the system is upgradable to accommodate additional tool heads, enhancing its versatility for multi-material and multicolor printing needs. This printer is particularly well suited for prototyping, engineering applications, and small batch manufacturing where precision and reliability are paramount.